I can't start this vow of the exact date kung kailan naging tayo kasi wala naman tayong ganun. Pero let me start with this. Love, mahal, palangga. Before I met you, di ako naniniwala na gwapo ako. But after receiving your very first message sa Messenger,
Wow.
doon na ako naniwala. Me, myself, and I never expected to receive that message from you. It was very out of the blue, and all I can say is thanks to Kim. You know that ever since 2018, ang pag-admire ko sa'yo, that very day, fiesta sa inyo, I forgot how good the food that I was eating nung bumaba ka sa hagdan. I remembered eating pork humba and got stunned when I saw you. Sorry if hindi mo ako nakilala ng mas maaga. E di sana di mo naranasan ang sakit ng kahapon. Pero di ba after 6 long years, the heavens made its way for us to meet and share a lifetime of love and happiness. Kung dadating man ang araw na marirealize mo na hindi pala ako kagwapuhan, sana wag mo kong iiwan. Hinding-hindi ako mapapagod at hindi ako titigil na mahalin ka. Ipangako mo lang na you will stay with me at ikaw ang bahala sa akin. Kasi ang mapapangako ko, ako ang bahala sa atin.
I used to pray and ask God for someone who would truly love me. Not just the good parts, but all of me. Someone who wouldn't make me guess, but would give me peace, assurance, and love I didn't have to chase. And then I met you.
Sky was yelling like a telephone wire. Tree line swaying, bending low.
With you, love feels real, steady, and safe. You showed me what it means to be loved with patience, honesty, and faith. You reminded me that God listened because He gave me you, the answer to the prayers I didn't always know how to say.
And the words of my father saying, the storm's gonna rage, but the morning will come. Now I know I'm coming of ages. It was the year of the dark, it was the year of the light.
So today, in front of God and everyone we love, I promise to choose you every day and to go with you, pray with you, laugh with you, and walk through anything life brings together. I love you with all I have, and I keep God at the center of everything we build.
Si Tupe na nakilala mo will stay the same hanggang sa huling buga ng hininga ko. Rest assured, love, na palagi akong matatakot na magalit ka. Kung totoyoin ka man, ako ang magsisilbing suka, magic sarap at baboy. Parang perfect combination na adobo. You taught me to be strong. You're my greatest motivation. And I know Papa Loloy is very happy guiding us from above.
It was the year of the light.
Thank you for making me the happiest man alive. At proud akong nakilala at napangasawa kita. Till death do us part, my Mrs. Artilio. Next up, 10 kids.
Okay.
Time.